Welcome! In this video we will see how to create a common whipping knot. This knot is used to put a little line on the rope to make the hand stronger and more durable. So, what we need? We need a rope and we need a little line. In this case I use this waxed line that is very strong and durable. So, we are going to put the little line like this over the rope. I hold the rope and the line with one hand and I start to turn it around the knot, around the rope, sorry. It has to be very firmly, so I have to pull very strong and start to turn it around. Then, after some loops, I put the line like this. I make a little bite, as you can see. After the bite, I start to put the rope around the rope and the bite. At the end of the line, when there is no more rope, I put the line inside the bite. Then, while I hold the running hand like this, I pull the bite inside the knot. How? By pulling the standing part. What I'm going to do? I'm going to put the line inside the knot. Okay, as you can see now it's inside. Then I have these two pieces of rope and I'm able to cut it. Good. After that, the knot is done. As you can see, this method doesn't involve the rope. The rope is still broken. It's all the strands are open. Then I have to cut it and to burn it. So this knot is used just. Where is the other one? Just a moment. Where is the? Sorry, here we are. So in this case, yes, the whipping it's very near the hand of the rope, but I burn it with the lighter. Otherwise, it stays like this. It is not very good. The whipping is just about the end of the rope, not the very end here. Okay, so you will need to cut it, to burn it, to put the glue. But this knot is just for this part.